We're Van Staal, an American company, committed to designing and building fishing tackle that will last a lifetime.
Hi, I'm Rob Coleman, designer of the Van Staal reel and owner of the company. I'd like to thank you for purchasing our Van Staal reel and wish you the best of luck in your fishing endeavors. Let me tell you how I developed the Van Staal reel. As an engineer, I wanted to create a reel that was tough, dependable, while being beautiful and functional. I designed this reel without any kind of compromise. As a fisherman, I wanted a reel that was easy to use and maintain and would be a pleasure to fish with.
Our headquarters are in Stratford, Connecticut. Talented employees using the latest in computerized manufacturing equipment embrace a work ethic of no compromise and zero defect. Utilizing the finest of aerospace-grade aluminum stock, we meticulously machine each component. We manufacture our parts to aerospace standards and tolerances. We inspect and re-inspect throughout the manufacturing process. Each reel is given a final quality control check and is made ready for shipment. The fish's world is beautiful, but it certainly isn't an environment that's friendly to equipment. Salt water is corrosive. Sand and silt are invasive and can wear down parts and cause equipment failure, but not with Van Staal reels. We go to great depths to produce the best fishing tackle on or under the water. We have even field tested our equipment by fishing with it underwater. Even fully submerged, our drag system works flawlessly.
Very slowly. There's a pickup. There's a pickup. There's one. There's one.
Why fight your fishing tackle when you can be fighting fish?
Oh, this one here is a decent fish. This one here has got me in a bad spot.
A smooth drag system and large line capacity are a must to land many species of fish.
Real good sized fish.
It took years of field testing and redesign to perfect the reel you have purchased. Here are some tips to help you get the most out of your Van Staal reel. Your reel features a large capacity for line. After tying your line to the spool, here are a few tips on how to properly load the reel. Make sure the spool of line is facing the reel. If line twisting develops as you load the reel, simply turn the spool around. You should fill your reel to within 1/8 of an inch from the rim. You may choose to fill part of your reel with a Dacron or braided backing, joining the lines together by means of an Albright knot or whatever knot is recommended by the line manufacturer. Before you execute your cast, you need to position the manual pickup so that you can pull the line off the reel with your finger. Execute your cast while releasing the line from your finger. You can stop the cast by reaching down with the index finger and allowing it to catch the line as it coils off the reel. By turning the handle, the manual pickup will grab the line and place it on the reel. Let's look at this again. You need to position the manual pickup so that you can pull the line off the reel with your finger. Then rotate the cup slightly to get the manual pickup off to the side. Execute your cast while releasing the line from your finger. Stop the cast by reaching down with the index finger. Here Ron Ara, 4-time national distance casting champion, demonstrates his technique for distance casting. With practice and proper technique, you'll be making long casts effortlessly. When using a larger model rod and reel and trying to achieve great distance, it's a good idea to use a long length of leader to act as a shock absorber. this can be tied with a modified Albright shown here. This knot will pass easily through the guides and onto the reel. The knot should be covered by no more than 4 wraps of line. Whether you fish the New England coast from Nantucket to Watch Hill, or you journey to the eastern tip of Long Island at Montauk Point, our products have been designed for serious anglers who want to get the most out of their equipment and outdoor experience. With some companies, the simple act of dropping a reel in the sand can sometimes mean the end of a fishing trip. Not with a Van Staal reel.
Used to drop my rod in the sand like that. It used to be a big problem. What's nice about the new Van Staal reel is that when that happens, you come right into the surf, wash it out with a little Mother Nature, sand is gone, and you're right back in the game again. Okay, Josh, game on.
Just listen to what some folks have had to say about their Van Staal experiences.
Well, tonight we're going to be fishing for big fish. We're going to be fishing with live eels, possibly some rigged eels along this spot here in Lower Narragansett Bay. Now, before we start fishing for big fish, let me mention a few things that are necessary when you are fishing for big fish. Number one, there are some real equipment demands that you have to keep in mind. You're fishing for a big fish, a 20, 25 pounder, even something bigger than that, you're going to need the very best of equipment to handle these fish. Now let's talk about what I'm using here tonight. First of all, I've got a Van Staal reel here on my rod. Now this reel has a manual pickup on it, which is right here. After dark, I'm going to be picking up the line with my finger. I'm going to feel where that line is at all times. The other advantage to this is that it eliminates a lot of loops that a bail might cause after dark. The other thing I've got on this reel is an excellent drag system, a necessity when you're fishing for big bass. The reel is also equipped with drain holes along the sides and along the bottom. A lot of splash, water getting into the reel, the water will go right through the reel. An excellent choice for fishing with eels at night. There's one. Oh, son of a gun.
The water's still wild up. I don't think he's interested right now.
There it is, there it is, there it is. Wow, now here's a good one. Wow. Wow. Let's hope everything holds together. Now he's heading for the reef. This fish is really peeling off line and actually has me on the bottom. I can feel the line running along the rocks, and we're in trouble because he's heading in close. And this thing is just screaming. Look at this. Okay, got him under control. Right in front of us. Actually coming towards us. Right? Watch that. Okay. Good wave. There we go, right here. How's that? That's eel fishing, man.
This week at the Alaska Sportsman's Lodge, I had the unique opportunity to try out this new Van Staal reel. And I thought all spinning reels were alike. Not so. This thing's been fantastic. First rainbow trout I had on was about 12 pounds. Took 300 yards of line off this thing. Never a waver. None of this, just smooth the whole way. The reel has performed flawlessly. It casts beautifully, but the drag is what it's all about. I mean, these fish are 8 knots of current. They're strong, they're fast, and they make huge runs. the reel has been awesome.
Oh, look at that.
Wow.
He jumped. Oh, he's pretty. Oh, look at all of them down there. Holy cow.
Nice fish, Elizabeth. There you go. Nice, nice. Oh, yeah. Don't even touch it. It'll be a while. That was a good one.
These are the greatest little spinning reels ever.
You may also want to consider investing in one of our handcrafted custom rods. They are built with the best components and are perfectly balanced for our reels. Our pliers are made with the same philosophy, no compromise. Whether removing a hook from a fish or cutting wire, these pliers are simply the best available. Our surf bags are another great accessory designed for use in the surf. They're built from the sturdiest materials and are guaranteed for 5 years. Send us your pictures of fish taken on your Van Staal reel, and if we use it in advertising, we'll send you a pair of Van Staal pliers. Visit our website at www.vanstaal.com or call us at 1-800-718-7335 for the name of the dealer nearest you. And thanks for your purchase. Good luck and good fishing.